Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a focus on indoor plants. Now, if you're a plant enthusiast like me, you know that finding the right potting mix can make all the difference in the health and vitality of your indoor greenery. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix. This potting mix is specially blended for a wide variety of container plants, making it perfect for your indoor garden. Plus, it's designed to be less prone to gnats, so you can enjoy your plants without any pesky pests. What sets Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix apart is its unique formula, which includes coconut coir. This natural ingredient holds and releases water, helping to keep your plants hydrated while also promoting healthy root growth. Using Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix is easy. Just follow these simple steps. First, choose a container with a drain hole and fill it about 1/3 full with the potting mix. Next, loosen the root ball of your plant and place it into the container. Then, add more potting mix until it reaches about an inch from the top of the container. Press lightly to secure the plant in place. Finally, water your plant thoroughly and let it drain. For best results, remember to feed your plants with Miracle-Gro plant food 30 days after planting. And there you have it. With Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix, you can grow beautiful houseplants with ease. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this potting mix is sure to help your indoor garden thrive. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know what products you'd like to see us review next. Until next time, happy gardening!